Welcome to cover letter generators. So cover letter generator is an application that helps jobs candidates to generate their unique and personalized cover letters for each job they apply. For example, Jason is a computer science master student at Columbia University that will be graduated very soon. And he really wants to work in the tech industry, so he applied for several jobs. But seems like all these companies really need cover letters. So now he asks help from the cover letter generators and wants the cover letter generators to generate some unique cover letters for the company he applied. After we press start, first it will ask you about your intended areas in the companies. For example, I want to work in artificial intelligence from a company called Google. It will press continue. It will search for jobs for me, generate some jobs. We're not satisfied. We can always press try again. Yes. So for example, like this. And also, if you just want to change your input, it's okay. We can always change our input. We'll go back to our home stage. We'll start again. And for example, Jason want to work in the cloud, and the company is still Google. Okay, press continue again. Yes, it will give you some input here. Okay, try again. Some other jobs. Yes, we can now see that there are lots of jobs for you. For example, I'm interested in software engineer. And then we can find it usually on the internet, on the job postings list. And we just copy a phrase usually from the job postings. I will press continues. It will generate an intro part for you. For example, something like this. And then if you're not satisfied, you can always try again. So I'm pretty good. I'm good with it. So I can press continues. And it will ask for my related experience. So to save times, so Jason just have a related experience now. So Jason's most recent position is also at Google and also as an internship. So yes, and then it will generate a body part. And this is a body part, right? And yes, my work. So for example, my work at Google give me skills and the experience necessary to excel in this role, right? After we generate intro and the body part, the generator will generate a conclusion for you, combined with the results previously from the intros and the body. Okay, we can always try again. I think this is a little bit too short. Yes, it will generate some body part, conclusion part, and after we generate the conclusion part, we can press continues, and it will give us a whole cover letters that tailored down for this job postings and your most recent experience. So yes. And also, for example, we can have another user called Emily, and he want to apply for jobs, still cloud areas, but like in a company called Amazon, example, right? Now they have these roles. For example, he want to apply for the senior engineers, right? And description can be usually found on the websites, and we can say jobs, key jobs experience, and then we can press continues. And then press continue again, and we can say something same with the related experience, just to make something better, faster. Yeah, make this faster. And yes, this is the body part, and then we press continue, generate the conclusions. Yes. Also, now we have a whole cover letters now for the Amazon's cloud, right? In conclusion, I would like to say I'm immersely blah blah blah. These are pretty tailored down for this job. And then, for example, someone called Courtney, he is interested into another jobs from, for example, BlackRock. Okay, let's say that he's interested in real estate from BlackRock. Yeah, now it has something called like real estate analyst, blah, blah, blah. And we can say that something called, okay, this is a real estate analyst, and description, user want to say that, okay, the responsibility is to sell real estate, right? We can press download again, continue again, or generate some intro part. And then we create a related experience. We change the related experience, like according to related experiences, he works in the ByteDance software engineering tools, and we can press continues. And it will generate that related to this job. For example, I'm also a team player that acts in communication skills, right? And then if we press continues, and then we'll generate a conclusion, press continue again, this will be a cover letter. So yes, so this cover letters generators is a generator that can help jobs candidates to generate their unique and personalized cover letter for all their jobs applied. Thank you so much.